Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very interesting body care product, bath salts. Yes, pretty underrated, very much ignored product into skincare. And yes, this one product can really add up to your mood, your emotions, as well as body rejuvenation. If you want to know all about bath salts, how to use them, how you can get the best out of them, then keep on watching. Bath salt is something which is not being introduced to me now. I have been using bath salt from many years. This is one product which I use twice a week just to keep my mood high, relax myself, and just go to bed and take a nice nap. Yes, I have tried a lot of different brands, but recently I did discover a new brand, and I would say an existing brand from which I have used a lot of different body care products, but I never tried their bath salts. And yes, I think they have recently launched them, or I don't know how old they are because I never saw them earlier. So yes, since I have tried their body care products, I thought why not just grab one bath salt from them and try it. Since I'm already been loving their body care products, so I was like, let me just grab one. So I did buy 3 of the bath salts from the brand Body Cupids. This is the Body Cupids Aqua Wave bath salt. Now I did happen to see some random reviews on Instagram as well as YouTube, because I think this product was recently launched or something. So I was like, okay, let me just grab it. So yes, I happened to grab 3 of the flavors. Now first I bought one, then I decided to get 2 more. So yes, they come into a tub like this. This is completely over because I have been using them from a very long time now. So yes, you get 200 grams of product for rupees 399, and you get a lot of different flavors to choose from. Now these bath salts are not those typical salts which you just put in the water and your body pains are gone. So do not treat your bath salt as Epsom salt, if I would say so. Yes, it's a bath salt for the bath, is more of your giving you more of a luxury feel, detoxifying your body, rejuvenating your body, calming your senses, and giving you more of a relaxed feel. So it is not only internally but externally also, with a wonderful fragrance in it. You just love it and you just have the best peaceful sleep. Now these Body Cupid bath salts are not just filled with some salt granules. Instead, they are enriched with pure essential oils. They have almond oil. The one I'm holding is beautiful rose, which has rose petals as well. Now what exactly it does for your skin: tones up your skin, it creates a nice blood circulation, as well as the scent to these bath salt lingers on your body and give you that nice calm senses around you. After your bath is done, you really feel rejuvenated and you feel really alive. And if you're going to bed, you will have a very much peaceful sleep. Including a bath salt, you also help your body to detoxify and feel much lighter during the day. The best time to use a bath salt could be a night time, because you're going to go to your bed directly and you're just going to love how you will have a nice peaceful sleep. Now how to use this product is pretty simple, but yes, for many it can be a little tricky. First up, if you have a bathtub, just pour a little bath salt and just soak your body, sit, relax, lie down, have a nice champagne if you have one, and then you are done with your bath. The second way can be a person who doesn't have a bathtub, just like me. You can pour it in your bucket of water and slowly pour it on your body and just enjoy your bath. That is the easiest way you can go for without wasting too much of water. The third way is, I would say, the best way without getting into the bathtub, is take a salt on your hands, pour a little water and start massaging on your skin. What exactly it does, it just detoxifies your skin, gets into the skin and give you more of a relaxed feeling. Since it is a salt, it is not going to hurt your body and it is not going to stay on the skin. Instead, it will start melting when coming in contact with water. One advice, do not put too much of pressure while doing this. Just have to gently do this and you are done. I like doing the last two methods, little massaging on the skin and slowly pouring the water on my body, and I'm done with my luxury premium bath. You have a lot of different flavors to choose from, but my personal favorite would be the Aqua wave one, which is completely over. Okay, I'm not joking, it is completely over. I finished this long time back, and the other one which I am using currently is this one, the beautiful rose one. This is one of my favorites again, which has rose petals in it, and the Cherrylicious one is also really amazing. So all the three fragrances, all the three different bath salts are very much well done by Cupids. All the three bath salts are free from parabens and sulfur. I hope you loved watching this small mini in-depth review as well as my experience with the bath salts by Cupid. Everything will be linked in my description if you want to grab one for yourself, but I would suggest you to at least get two for yourself, because you'll be like, I want to try that also, I want to experience that also. Because yes, it is all about experience, it is all about the feel here. You will just feel so happy, so relaxed. Yes, you will come back to me and tell me what a wonderful product it is. I will be here soon with some more interesting skincare, bath care, as well as makeup. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @BrunzingGeek. Till then, you take care, and I will see you in my next one.